When you're decorating or remodeling your home, the natural impulse is to hang artwork, paint walls, etc. But there's another possibility, a way to add depth and classic design to your space that's beautiful, eye-catching, and far from ordinary. We're talking about half columns like these. They create amazing ambiance in your home. This great-looking set comes in 3 elements. The shaft, which is featured in both a smooth and in 2 fluted designs. At the bottom is our base, which is simple, clean, and classic in style. And at the top, 3 very different capital pieces to choose from. Now, before I go over the details of each, let's take a look at how half columns in general can transform a room. This master bath is a great example. Even though the half column you see here is not load-bearing, it conveys a strong, luxurious presence, the classic design projecting out into the room and adding great personality. In contrast, we also feature flat columns, also called pilasters, great for framing mirrors and doorways, which in similar fashion add fantastic design to your walls. Both the half columns and pilasters are made from the same resilient polyurethane, which is weather resistant, so they're perfect for exterior applications like you see here. Now let's take a closer look at this half column from top to bottom. As we mentioned, the capital comes in 3 styles: a classic clean design, Ionic scroll, and Corinthian. One neat feature of these capitals is that they're open at the top, so you can add lighting inside to cast a warm, elegant glow on the walls above. Next, we have the prominent shaft, which comes in both a smooth and 2 fluted designs. The smooth shaft is slightly tapered, measuring 9 3/4 inches in diameter at the bottom and 8 3/4 inches at the top. There's a 79-inch and a 95-inch fluted shaft, measuring 9 inches in width and 9.5 inches in width, respectively. You'll also notice that these shafts are hollow, and it might be tempting to use 2 of them if you plan to cover over a pole, for example. But for best results in this case, order one of our full columns, which we will gladly cut in half for you as an additional service so you can create a nice, seamless look. And finally, our base comes in this one classic style and adds a strong foundational presence to the half column's overall appearance. So remember, when you're enhancing the look of a room, to consider a design element that is far less typical than adding color or paintings to your walls. Half columns have a unique and unforgettable look that create the perfect finishing touch.